Huh. Yes. So can you all see my screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
great.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you will find these things are very commonly there. Okay, these things are very commonly available. Anything available at home, you can make a wind vane, whatever instrument, one instrument. Each person will work on one instrument. I am not saying you have to make all the instruments. You will work on one instrument, then make a video and explain, the working of this instrument, how this instrument works, what is this instrument used for, what is the use of this instrument, how it works, and add some other interesting fact on it. Is that clear? So for model making, you have 10 marks, and for explanation video, you have 10 marks. Is this very clear?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
mean, explanation
ma'am.
video, do we need to show our face in front, front of us?
Yes. You will show your face, you will use the model, and you will explain.
Like that atmosphere one.
Like the atmosphere one. Here you see, I have given the full month of January for this. So you can take the full month of January. Now, as we go on learning about the instruments, you think, you plan out. Okay, suppose you are making this. I have given a picture of the wind vane. Okay, so this wind vane, now you have made this, then you hold it up. And then you explain that, see, this is a wind vane. Now in this wind, I have made it using a straw, cardboard, and paper cup and plate. Now you say that wind vanes help us knowing from which direction the wind is blowing. Then you say how it works. So from whichever direction the wind is blowing, the wind vane turns and tells us the direction. And any other interesting fact related to it, you will show your model and you will explain the same. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So this is given already. Yes, this is already uploaded in Vicon.
Can we make an animated video? Because if we can't make with our own face.
No. You have to
in
explain.
geography,
Last
we
time
did-
it took so much effort.
We can
Like
speak in the
last
background.
time.
Like
Yes,
last time, you will have to.
No, ma'am,
put your
last
face.
time I didn't put my face.
My point, no, you have to hold your model, and best way, use a ruler or a stick and explain that, see, this is this part of the
Yes, I agree
instrument
that.
is this part of the, you
Strong
can have a
did that, yes.
pencil. Many have done it.
My
before.
mother
Very good.
suggested that.
Very, very good. That is absolutely very good. So use your time. Today is just the 7th of January. You have a long time. Okay, it's not very difficult. Use things available at home, chart papers, this, that. If somebody can make, if you are good in craft, one of you can first make last time I remember, they made a nice drawing of a thermometer, 6 is maximum and minimum thermometer, and then made a box using a shoe box. Shoe box you have, cut the sides into slits and told that this is a Stevenson screen. So we are making it in Stevenson. We are just cutting the sides into slits. You don't need perfection. I know it's not possible to make it in a perfect way, but I just need to understand that you all know the working
the
of it.
drawing on the back side.
What?
Inside the sticking the drawing inside the Stevenson's box.
You just sticking the thermometer inside the steel. Nothing. Just if you take a shoe box, cut the sides into slits, and then at the back you put a drawing of the thermometer. And then you say thermometers are used for this. So we use a Stevenson screen for keeping the thermometer like this. Okay. This is something that you people will be making 3 to 4 minutes, not a very big thing. This is going to be your hands-on work. Yes, Pandam, you can ask. And again, this is already uploaded in Vicon. I have uploaded it in Vicon for you all to go through. January to February folder. Yes, tell.
Ma'am, do you know, because for my sister's science project, I've already made a weather vane.
Really?
Wind vane. Will I show you?
Yes, you can definitely show me. Let me see.
Yes, ma'am. This is it.
1 minute. Let me go to speaker view.
My goodness.
Oh, nice.
It even spins when wind is blown.
When wind is blowing. See, using
Weather
simple things at home. There is a paper, there is a cup, and it is turning. This is now and east, west, north, south direction given. Very good. Like this only you make it. Any one instrument, okay? Please learn this. I am not saying that
Thank you, ma'am.
take all instruments. Very good, Spandan. Spandan has already done the work beforehand. Should I take it that way?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Send it to us. Send it to us. We will also submit the same thing.
Incident.
Sixth sense. He could sense something like this might come. Okay, very nice. Very good.
You shouldn't have told this. To us.
Shouldn't have to tell
Yes,
this.
and he has made a hole in between and he has put the straw and then he has made the another
Yes,
straw.
in class 2 also I use this logic to make a clock.
Now think about a little bit different things also. You can think about the rain gauge, you can think about any one instrument.
Now, ma'am,
want
Google
to
will help for the names.
And then you will make the video. Any one instrument that is that you find. Okay. Now we are going to go ahead with the learning of the topic weather and climate. Okay. Before I proceed, last day, since many of you kept on asking me about the alcohol on the other limb for 6's maximum and minimum. So I was thinking, is there any other use of alcohol on the other side of the limb? I went went through 2-3 books and 2-3 other internet materials also. The other side, the other side of the limb, alcohol has no as such use. It is given there, it is kept there for this was related to manufacturing. This is related to how the instrument has been made, but it is said that on the other side, so one side alcohol and mercury is in a airtight way. Okay, on the other side, because of the vacuum, this side the alcohol is free to move with the increase, expansion and contraction of alcohol on the other side. This side alcohol has no other use given. I have gone through quite a few places, but I couldn't find any other use.
What is the use then? Can you please repeat?
I just said that there is no other use. It is given there because of making of the instrument. Wait, just hold on a minute. In a 6's maximum and minimum thermometer, this was the question, right? That what is the use of the alcohol on the other side? That was the question that was being asked. So what I read through quite a few places, I went through, quite a few explanations. It only said that this side, the alcohol and mercury is in an airtight condition. So this side only, the alcohol and mercury, the alcohol contracts and expands as per the temperature of the atmosphere. Hence, we get the reading. This side, since there is a vacuum on top, the vacuum is big. So this side, the alcohol is free to move. It has a free flow. Okay, and this mercury pushes the alcohol up and down. There is no other particular use of this side, the alcohol that is there. No other specific.
And what would happen if
Just
this was
like
not
that.
here?
This is the thing. See, this is the one who invented the 6's maximum and minimum thermometer. It was that person who made it in this way. Okay, definitely for creating some balance, it was there. But any particular use of alcohol on the other side, it's not there. It's not there. No other particular use. Mainly, it is on this limb that when there is heat, the alcohol expands, pushes the mercury, you get the maximum reading. The temperature falls, day turns into night, day turns to night, temperature falls, alcohol contracts, mercury level comes back and gives you the minimum reading. This much will do. This side alcohol has no other use. I looked for it in 3-4 places if I can find something. Okay, so this much will do for you all. Now, as I was saying, this is about temperature. So we learned quite a few important things about temperature. Now we come to the next weather element, which is extremely important, and that is air pressure. Do you know what is pressure?
Yes, ma'am. The
Post
air
per
has
unit area.
the air has weight.
No,
That is why
weight
we
per
have air.
unit area. Absolutely. You know, let's see. When we are, suppose we are sitting on something. Okay. Then we take a heavy bag on us. Then there is another bag put on our lap. Okay, 2-3 people. Earlier in school, sometimes we used to play. No, one person used to sit on the chair, another child on his lap, then another child on his lap. Like that, you all play. This one sitting at the bottom, who will feel the maximum pressure? Do you feel a weight?
Person sitting
The
at the
one at the
bottom.
bottom.
On the bottom,
Yes,
because he is
at
carrying
the
his
bottom.
weight at the bottom.
All means all the people who is sitting on his.
Exactly,
You will
exactly.
be sandwiched.
Why that person? Yes, you say will be sandwiched, and why is it so? Because the earthly bodies, we have a weight. Okay, we have a weight. We are not hollow. We are not, you know, we don't have vacuum inside. We are not hollow man. Okay, hollow men and women. We have a weight. We exert a weight. The Earth's gravitational pull helps us have a weight. So the weight of the atmosphere pushing down on a unit area of the Earth. Okay, pushing down on a unit area of the Earth is known as Earth's atmospheric pressure. Air also has weight. You know that?
Can I say something?
Yes,
please,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. That is why we say that one gas is heavier than the other gas.
Very, very good. Absolutely. Yes, Abhirup, you wanted to say something. Tell, please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because ma'am, we are not hollow men. We are not getting grounded into the ground by the atmosphere's weight. But ma'am, we cannot feel the air pressure because ma'am, we have our own blood pressure.
Very, very good. We have blood pressure in our body, which balances our body pressure with
Cannot feel the air
air
pressure.
pressure outside. Wonderful, wonderful. You see, if I draw it this way, suppose this is a unit on the Earth's surface. So, you know, each box, if I take it this way, each box is 1 unit. So on 1 unit of the Earth's surface, whatever pressure Earth's atmosphere, the gases are exerting, that is called the air pressure at that point. Did I make myself clear here? So you need to know the
Yes,
weight
ma'am.
of the atmosphere pushing down. You know, if I very simply, if suppose you have 1 book in your hand, then somebody gives you another book, then somebody puts another book, just like I was telling you, you people play in school, 1 child, then another child sitting on your lap, another child, you will see the pressure is increasing. What you feel on your lap is the pressure of another person. In the same way, each place on Earth gets some pressure because of air that is present, because of the Earth's atmosphere. So that is known as air pressure. Okay. Now, what you need to know about temperature and pressure are very, very 2 important factors in study of weather and climate, because based on temperature, the pressure gets affected, air pressure is affected. And based on air pressure, you will see the wind movements of the world. All the cyclones taking place, winds blowing from one place to another, everything has got connection with air pressure and air temperature. So learn this as a fact that temperature and pressure.
Ma'am, lower pressure means lower temperature are directly related.
No, temperature and pressure are inversely related. Temperature and pressure are inversely related with each other. Now, have you heard learned this concept of density in class 4? Remember that solid molecules and atoms are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Seven also we learned.
In liquids, in gases. So what happens in Air, what happens? So air is made up of, suppose this is a volume of air, a unit volume of air. Air has molecules that are spread across, right? Air has many molecules that, you know, it is spread across. Let's take air is made up of, the molecules are scattered. Okay, now always remember, we have also learned this as a fact that hot things expand, cold things what?
Contract.
Because cold things contract and hot things expand. So whenever heat is added, suppose this is a volume of air. Okay, this is a volume of air to which I am adding heat. What will heat do? Heat will make the air expand. Now as the air is expanding, the density, the molecules will be less, because now the air is now occupying a bigger area. The air volume has expanded, the air has expanded, the molecules are more scattered in,
And the concentration of air in one place will decrease.
the air will become lighter, the density of the air will decrease, and hence
And then go
air
up.
pressure will also what? Decrease.
Decrease.
Air pressure
Because the air
will
is much
also
lighter.
decrease. Absolutely. So so this is the fact, the higher the temperature, the more the air will expand, and hence it will become lighter. So when it becomes lighter, will it have, a light thing will have more pressure or less pressure?
Less
pressure.
Less pressure. Hence
pressure.
it will have
Lesser air pressure.
less air pressure. So higher the temperature, lower the pressure. Hence, in equatorial regions, in tropical regions of the earth, the air is these regions of the earth, they get a lot of sunlight. They get a lot of, what is the source of temperature for the earth? What is the source of heat? The source of
Sunlight.
nothing but sun, insolation. Insolation leads to rise in temperature. If there is rise in temperature, it affects pressure. So pressure regions of the earth are affected this way. So higher the temperature, lower the pressure. Higher the temperature, lower the pressure. Lower the temperature, higher the pressure. Why? Because now let's go to the frigid zone. Okay.
And water
In
pressure.
insolation, cold
It
case,
contracts and becomes denser
Contracts and it becomes more heavy.
less insolation,
and
absolutely.
denser.
So
Meanwhile,
Air-
increase in
That's why we have
temperature,
struggled
decrease
to
in air
breathe.
pressure, decrease in temperature, increase in
air
temperature.
contracts, there is contraction. So when it contracts, it becomes denser and heavier. Okay, it contracts denser and heavier. Hence,
We have problem in
Air-
breathing that time.
pressure increases. Air pressure, absolutely, air pressure will automatically increase. So the polar regions of the world always mostly has high pressure, while the equatorial regions, which have, which are near the equator, which is getting a lot of heat, they have low pressure. Air pressure influences wind movement around the world. Anytime there is wind movement, wind always blows from a region of high
High pressure to
Pressure?
low pressure.
to low pressure. Wind always blows from a region of high pressure to a region of low pressure. This is a very, very important thing, because
Ma'am,
If
everything
wind
on earth
movement
only
when the,
goes from-
Just from high concentration to low
rises up
concentration.
and the colder air takes its place.
absolutely.
Humans also like to do
Horizontally,
that.
even horizontally, this is what takes place. Wind movement is affected by the pressure conditions, and the pressure is in turn affected by temperature. So temperature and pressure are oppositely related, because remember this, hot things expand, it becomes lighter. So hot air also expands, lighter. It has light things will have less pressure. Okay. If things contract, it becomes heavier. It will have more pressure. It will exert more weight. Basic things that you have learned. Now, air pressure is measured with the help of an instrument called a barometer. Okay, it's an instrument called a barometer. Earlier, it was a simple barometer. Now we have a more advanced form of a barometer called a aneroid barometer. Very good, very good. We have, and the unit, every time, please mention, the unit in which we measure air pressure in MB or millibar. We always measure air pressure in MB or millibar. Now, let me just show you.
I have a question.
Please ask.
Ma'am, in higher altitudes, I mean, there is low pressure and there is lower temperature.
Higher altitudes, I am telling you. Higher altitudes, there is low pressure because, okay, so temperature is one factor that affects air pressure. Another factor that affects air pressure is altitude. Okay, why altitude? Let's take it this way.
Ma'am, lesser column. Ma'am, lesser column of air.
Column of air. Suppose I was just telling you, this is one book. I put another book on top. Then I put another document on top. Then I put another document on top. Now tell me which one of them will have the highest, which one will experience the highest pressure? The one at the bottom.
The most
The one at the
bottom.
bottom, absolutely. That is why in the troposphere, in the lowermost part of the troposphere, you have the highest pressure. And we say at sea level, the pressure is the highest. The sea level pressure is 1013 millibar, because sea level, we take the height of the sea level to be 0 meters. 0 meters, we calculate, it is the lowest point on the Earth's surface. So we always say that at sea level, the sea level is 0 meters. So at sea level, so this is 0 meters. At 0 meters, we will always have, oh God, drawing here is very bad. Anyway, we have the
And this is the reason,
pressure at
ma'am,
sea level.
we cannot explore the sea very well. The submarines will get crushed the more deeper we go.
The
Only
deeper
get
we
crushed.
go, now we are experiencing the pressure of water, no more of air. But at sea level, the height of the air, the maximum air is there above you at the sea level, because it's the 0 meters high. As you keep going up in the layers of the atmosphere, see, that is why the troposphere has the maximum air pressure, because it is the lowest layer. As you keep climbing up, the air becomes thinner, and
Because gravity is also lower in the higher parts.
the gravity is also lower. It is also spreading, plus there is less air above you. Suppose you are here and you are here. Of course, the air column is up to here. Here you have this much air, and from here you have this much air. At the bottom, you are feeling more pressure. That is why altitude is another factor that affects air pressure. Okay. Now, those who were present